That is insane. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ah. I can't believe I got that on video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I pray, please bless. I have to call the cops. I have to call the fire department. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. It's okay. All right, I'm gonna call the police. Hold on. Puppy, they're coming. As soon as they get here, I can kick the door in.
Try and contact whoever this is and see if they're here or somewhere. Hello!
Come here, pup. Come here, Bubba. Come on. Come here, baby. Come here, sweetie. Come here. I got you. It's okay. Gentle.
You gotta get a hold of somebody. We're right back to square one. So, we're not gonna buy a Home Depot to search something we're not.
They're definitely going to need a bid. I'm glad I own my own roofing company.
You're in, man.
I'm in.
You should get it. You got the video.
I got it. I can help them with the insurance.
Dude, my roof would have held this. So you could
I would probably imagine this gets cleared and sold for something else.
Yeah, if it doesn't get demolished, I won't be surprised.
Replace the shingles, I think it's good. Yeah.
I'm telling you, I think it just needs to get buffed out.
Yeah, it'll buff out.
That is insane.
Hello.